Today we'll look at how Websource CPQ can be used by your salespeople and channels to configure ads in different media. I'll show 3 examples: a classified, an online job ad, and a television ad. First, I'll show a television ad. A pretty straightforward configuration. This example presents to the user the station, the duration, and during which program to run the ad. When finished, I'll add the configuration to the quote. In the quote, the ad is shown along with the description of the options we selected. Clicking Add Item allows me to add additional items to the quote and takes me back to the catalog. Next, I'll show how an online job ad can be configured. This configuration presents to the user with each field required in the job description. Sections available to the user are shown as an example setup and can include more or less selections as is required. When finished, I'll add the configuration to the quote. In the quote, we see the configuration along with a short description. Again, I'll choose Add Item to add another ad to the quote. The classified ad presents the user with options to quote an auto advertisement. For this example, the configuration is separated between ad type and ad content. Under the ad type, the user selects the media that the ad will run in. Choosing daily, weekly, or web determines the media that can be selected. Next, the type of ad is selected. This drives how the ad will be priced based on units. For instance, if I choose the lineage style, then the ad will be priced based on the number of lines. This example also presents the user with extras they can include with their ad, such as full page and color. The date range selector allows the user to choose not only an interval, but also specific days depending on whether or not the publication will allow it. The date range selector can return each specific day included in the date range or selected days. This allows you to price based on weekdays, weekends, or individual days such as Monday, Wednesdays, etc. I'll make my choice for the size of the ad, then define the content. On the Add Content tab, the user determines the specific text the ad should include. If we would like, we can choose a template for how the ad will appear. Since this example is for an auto advertisement, the fields available include car make, model, year, etc. As we enter each field, the value is populated in the template on the right. This gives the user an immediate result of how the ad will look. With all the fields filled, we can see the values in the template. For this example, we also present the user an upsell option to include their ad on a website at a discount. When finished with the configuration, I can see the price, then add it to my quote. In the quote, we see the item we configured with a dynamic description that tells us the date range and the size of the ad. The additional website we added on is also included as an item. Today we've shown how to use Websource CPQ to quote advertising. Feel free to contact us at sales@webcomic.com. Thank you.